Hello dear student of class 9th. Now I am going to discuss you a few more typical problems from your chapter 6, right? And I select the few question from your queries, like question number 17. You know very well we have already discussed from question number 1 to 16. So now come to question number 17. The result of dividing a number of 2 digits by the number with the digits reversed is 5 by 6. First consider or let the tens digit be equals to x, let the unit digit be y, and if you say number or a 2-digit number, that means 10x plus y. Now in the very first case, the question is the resulting of dividing a number means 10x plus y. The result of dividing a number of 2 digits by the number with the digits reversed is 5 by 6, means divided by 10y plus x. Just reverse the numbers and the result is 5 by 6, like this. Again I repeat again, the language of the question is the result of dividing a number of 2 digits, that is a number of 2 digits, divide by which the number with the digits reversed is, means 10x plus y, please reverse the digit is 10y plus x, and the result is 5 by 6. Now cross multiplication, right? So 60x plus 6y is equals to 50y plus 5x. Solve 60x minus 5x is 55x is equals to 50y minus 6y is 44y, right? Divided by 11, you can divide easily by 11, that is 5x is equals to 4y. You can say equation number 1. And after that, in the case 2, or case second, if the difference of digits is 1, that means x minus y is equals to 1. It is a second condition. So you can say 5x minus 4y is equals to 0, that is the from case 1, and there is case 2, and you can solve simultaneously now the question. And you already solved a lot of question in the previous exercise to how to solve and how to find out the value of x and y. So it's my duty to solve the question to make the equation, and the rest of the question you can solve easily, right? You all knows very well about, because we have already done so many question in the previous 3 exercise. So it is your duty. If you have faced any problem in simplification of this x and y, you can ask the question, sir, please solve this, especially this simultaneous linear equation. So I will solve you, right? So from this section, from this part, you can do it yourself. Now in the question number after 17, it is a regular question, question number 18. A number of 3 digits has the 100 digit 4 times the unit digit, and the sum of the 3 digits is 14. Okay, now in this time, not a 2-digit number, it is a 3-digit number. So we consider let the 100 digits, the 100 digit, hundreds digits is I think much better, that is, we suppose x, let the tens digit, that is y, let the units digits, that is suppose z. And now in this case, number is 100x plus 10y plus z. Always remember this. and obviously how many number of unknown variable, that is a 3 unknown variable x, y, z. Definitely we are going to make the 3 equations. After that you can solve, otherwise the question will not going, or you will not solve the question. So number of unknown variable always equals to the number of equations we are going to form. Case first. In the case first, a number of 3 digits has the 100 digit is x, 4 times the unit digits. Okay, now we are going to simplify 4 times of the unit digits. Okay, z. Put, that is equation number 1. Okay, in the case second, I told you already that we make a 3 equation and then put simultaneously and find x, y and z. And the sum of the 3 digits is 14. Okay, very good. X plus y plus z is equals to, given is 14. And now you can say x equals to 4z plus y plus z is equals to 14. Now y plus 5z is equals to 40. Equation number 2. Now this equation we have all convert in the form of only the 2 variables y and z. And the case third, you can see a number of unknown variable equals to a number of equation we are going to form. In the case third, if the 3 digits are written in the reverse order, okay, in the reverse order means 100z plus 10y, fortunately as it is, plus x, we are going to reverse z, y, x, y in the center, so always place in the center, 100z plus 10y plus x. The value of the number is decreased by 594. If you write down this number and the number is decreased, the actual number is this. So decreased by means 100x plus 10y plus z minus, if you subtract the original number to the numbers we have received after reversing the number, the difference is equals to 594. So 100x minus x is 99x, right? 10y cancel with this 10y after change of the sign, and z minus 100z is minus 99z is equals to 594. I hope that number is divisible by, the first is I hope that is 11. So 11 5s are 55. Yes, 4 11 5s are 55 and 11 4s are, the number is 9x minus 9z. And after that you will see that number is also divided by 9, or x minus z 6. Equation number third. Don't say from this place that the equation number third. First you can say is again x equals to 4z, x equals to 4z. So 4z minus z is equals to 6, 3z is equals to 6, z is equals to 3 2s are 6. Now z is 2, you can place z in equation 1, you will see, or you can say the number is 4 2s are 8. Now x is 8, and after you put the value of x and z in equation number second, if you put the value only z, so you will receive y. And after that the number is, place all the x, y, z in a number, so you will receive an answer, you will get the answer. Is it, I hope, is it clear? Because I have already find out the 2 values. If you say I will find out y also, put the value of z2, so 5 2s are 10, 10 14 minus 10 is y equals to 4. So the number is x equals to 8, y equals to 4, z is equals to 2. And the next question is 19 number. I want to solve the question number 19 also, but because it is a different variety of question. I want to discuss the one thing also. Your book is absolutely a fine book, or you can say the excellent number of questions given in your book, and the writer helps all the students already. If you attempt all the examples, you can solve most of the question easily from the exercise, because very similar question placed in example as well as in the exercise also. So suppose if you have faced any problem in question number, for example, that is a question number, I will give you an example. Question number 19, for example, 4 years ago Marina was 3 times old as her daughter, for example, and that is question number 19. 4 years ago Marina means a question is based on age and year wise. If you go in an example, question number, for example number 12, example number 11 is based on the question based on the age. For example 11, 6 years hence a man's age will be 3 times his son's age, and 3 years ago he was 9 times as old as his son. Find their present age, right? And example number 12, the age of the father is twice the sum of ages of his 2 children. After 20 years his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of the children. Find the age of the father. So a very similar question given in examples as well as in the questions. If you face any problem in question related to the exercise, so first you can go with an example, and if you face then again a problem, you can ask the question. So for it is your better attempting to the question, or you can go fast and complete all the question and attempt all the question. Example is also be the important one. It is not compulsory in exams question coming from your exercise. Question may be coming from your examples also. So please try to understand and solve accordingly. Question number 19 I am going to solve. 4 years ago Marina was 3 times old as her daughter. 4 years ago, let first we suppose let the present age of Marina be X years. Let the daughter of let the present age of daughter is Y years, right? And the case 1, very first case, question is 4 years ago. First write down like this: 4 years ago Marina's age that is X minus 4 years, and 4 years ago daughter's age Y minus 4 years. And now make the equation. 4 years ago Marina was 3 times old as her daughter, means X minus 4 is equals to the 3 times 3 into Y minus 4. Simplify the equation and you can say equation 1. So X minus 3Y is equals to minus 8, equation number 1. And 6 years from now, so you can say after 6 years, now Marina's age be X plus 6, or you can say the daughter's age is Y plus 6 years, you can say years. What the condition is, 6 years from now the mother will be means x plus 6 will be twice as old as her daughter, twice of y plus 6. So x plus 6 is equals to 2y plus x minus 2y is equals to 12 minus 6, equation number 2. And now go through these equations, you can find out the solution, or you can find out the value of x and y, exactly the age of Marina's and her daughter. So try all these 3-4 questions. I make the another video to solve this rest of the question as soon as possible, and then start the new chapters from this week. Thank you.